guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas. And behind me, I have another Cypress Green SUV with the Jackal SUV package. We've done a few of these lately, and this one follows that great recipe that we think is the best and best performing and highest end way to modify your GM SUV to lift it. And so this truck has that Jackal SUV recipe. 2.5-inch coilovers front and rear, giving us like 3 inches of lift in the front, 1.5 inches in the back, tubular upper control arm, tubular lower in the rear, 35-inch wheels and tires. It's an awesome setup. We move a lot of these. We do them in Tahoes, Suburbans, Yukons, even a couple of Escalades. Really like this Jackal SUV package, but that's not what I want to talk about for the majority of this video. What I want to talk about on this truck is under the hood. And you guys probably know us for supercharging, I think, the most 6.2 liter GM trucks and SUVs than anybody in the world. But something that we don't talk a lot about, and maybe should talk about it more, is supercharging the 5.3 liter. The 5.3 is in a lot more vehicles. There's a lot more volume of these out there, so you're going to encounter it a lot. So let's talk about what it's like to supercharge it. The recipe's the same as what we do on our 6.2 liters. We use a 3.0 liter Whipple. It's an awesome supercharger, great reliability, great lifespan. We love Whipple, put them on a ton of trucks, have it on my personal truck, have hundreds of them out there. It's a tried and true setup. And so why might you go with one of these 5.3 liters? First off, availability. Like I said, there's a lot more of them out there on dealer lots. And that leads into the second thing, cost. Because there's more of them, because it's the lower level, because it has less horsepower, dealers are more likely to deal on these. So if you can get one for a lower price, that's a huge benefit. Let's talk about power. You're not really giving up that much power. Our 6.2 liters with the supercharger, 650, 675 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. With these 5.3s, you are right there in the neighborhood. 600 horsepower, 600 foot-pounds of torque. And the truth is, when I drive these vehicles, when I drive these SUVs, you can't really tell that you're down that 50 horsepower. It probably shows up at the top of the power band where you don't spend a lot of time in these vehicles. Where do you spend a lot of time? Low down, accelerating from a stop, or 40 to 70. And in those situations, the 5.3 liter feels almost just as powerful as the 6.2. I'm constantly impressed by these 5.3s when we do them. We get awesome reliability out of them. I know there's some issues with certain ranges of 6.2 liter GMs. That doesn't apply to the 5.3 liter. So if you've been thinking about supercharging your 5.3, whether that be a truck, Silverado Sierra, SUV, Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban, go for it. It's an awesome package. Us at PaxPower are experts in it. We'd love to do it for you. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, first step always the same. Give us a call at PaxPower. We'd love to hear from you.